The Pajama Factory is an 8-building historic complex of factory buildings that we are trying to repurpose. I am an architect, and I had my firm in New York City, and we did a lot of work in historic properties. I got to love old buildings, and I loved old construction techniques. The idea was to bring artists from New York out here because we could build really wonderful, inexpensive studio space. That didn't really work out. Cheap rents everywhere. Why would they come here? You need a there. You need a reason for people to come here, more than just costs. I mean, that's an essential part of it, but you need to offer something more. So the there that we decided that we wanted to create was a community, and that is the attraction for the building. Artists work alone, but they need people around. They need to be able to test their ideas. They need to see how people react to their ideas. And they don't want to put it up on the gallery wall, or maybe don't even have the opportunity to do that. And they want smart people looking at their work. And you get ideas from the craziest places, just being around the right people. The coffee shop is the center of the community, and out the courtyard is a place where people can hang out. We try to have events. So then the community grows. Half of our tenants are artists or craftspeople, half of them. But the other half, the small businesses, occupy about 80% of the space that we rent. We have hairdressers and makeup artists. We have someone who makes pasta. And we have the guy who runs his game shop. And of course, the coffee shop. We have the bicycle recycle shop. We have an art store that's coming in. What we offer, why do people come here? We have campus-wide Wi-Fi. We leveled out all the rents. Everything is included. We made it easy for people to get in. The lease is very simple, and easy for them to get out. They don't want to sign long-term leases. They're experimenting. So it's been a great surprise of mine. In fact, it's saved the project. It's the locals. It's all local folks that got tired of working in their basement, had an idea, and here's a place where they could try it out with some other folks that aren't going to look at them askance. I think now, if you have an old building like this, and you put a coffee shop in any town, and say, artists welcome, you'll fill it up. They just come. But you have to create the right environment. And we've been making a there. I think we have that now. And we're starting to get some people that are moving into town and because of the Pajama Factory, or staying in town because of the Pajama Factory, which is really neat.